Hi, David Beggy is my name. I'm Head of Sales with Dipetane International. We're based in Kilcool in County Wicklow, and we've been in the business for over 30 years. We sell Dipetane, which is 100% hydrocarbon fuel treatment. Dipetane has many benefits. Chief among them is hugely reduced emissions, improved fuel savings, engine maintenance, increased lifespan, and the cleaning of injectors and diesel particle filters, to name but a few. Dipetane can be used wherever a standard combustion engine is found, be it cars, trucks, motorbikes, lawnmowers, boats, ships. Where there's combustion in a standard engine, Dipetane is the product to use. Dipetane is used within the fuel to allow carbon molecules align in order to allow more oxygen burn more of the carbon. Other additives are used to clean out, like detergents or washing up liquid, when the dirt has already occurred. Dipetane doesn't allow that dirt to occur, which gives a better output. That's a 1 litre bottle, and 1 litre bottle will treat 200 litres of fuel, and that's your standard 4 tanks of fuel, full to the brim. We have the measurements down the side. You can't use too much of it, and it will do no harm to your car. Dipetane currently treats over 40 million litres of diesel a year, and for those people who use it, they now have the comfort and the knowledge to know that they're reducing emissions greatly. You can use Dipetane to help pass your NCT, your MOT, and your DOEs. But if you use it regular, you are now taking part in the Dipetane revolution, which is reducing emissions constantly every day throughout Ireland and hopefully further afield. And we at Dipetane are now delighted to be with MicksGarage.com to meet new customers who can benefit from the use of Dipetane that our customers had over the last 30 years.